Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to make some roasted potatoes. And did you know that a large potato has as much protein as an egg? So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make my easy roasted potatoes. Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell to receive notice when I post new videos. So I've washed and dried my potatoes and I cut off any blemishes. A lot of the goodness is in the peeling, so I'm going to leave them on. And then I'm just going to cube my potatoes. So I have my potatoes all ready, and now I'm going to drizzle with some olive oil, just a couple of tablespoons, some salt, pepper, granulated onion, some flour, probably 2 tablespoons, and about a teaspoon of sugar. And I'm going to toss these just to coat all of the potatoes. Now I'm going to pour them on a cookie sheet, spread them out, and I'm going to bake at 450 degrees. And here are my finished potatoes. It took 45 minutes to cook them. And there you go. I hope you enjoy making these easy roasted potatoes. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.